fast or slow? Tap a beat with the music. Is the music fast or slow? In music, the beat of the song may be fast, slow, or somewhere in between. The word tempo is used to describe how fast or slow to sing or play a song. Listen to this recording. Tap the beat or play the beat on an instrument with the music. Does the tempo change? How does the music make you feel when it's slow? How does the music make you feel when it's fast? Do you like it better slow or fast? Now, here's a bonus point. If you can name that instrument that was just played on that last slide, what do you think? You're right. It's the piano. This week's assignment: drag and drop an apple, orange, or lemon into each box. Practice reading your fruit rhythm. You may submit that slide with your creation or record yourself saying your rhythm and submit it. Click on the video below for a reference. Now you will look for assignment number 4, and it is very similar to assignments that we have done before with the drag and drop. You can click on this video right here and it will remind you of a previous activity. Your student is going to drag and drop fruit into 4 boxes and create their own. Thank you so much. Can't wait to see you till next week.